Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. Friends, this video is regarding TCS ITP 2022 exam, and in this video we will discuss the syllabus, the pattern, the important aptitude question, reasoning question, verbal topics, question based on traits, question based on aptitude and reasoning. So please watch the video till the end. This is going to be very important for TCS ITP 2022 examination. So TCS is going to hire candidates for Ninja and digital role. So the package which you will be getting for the Ninja role will be 3.36 LPA, and the package for digital role will be 7 LPA. And definitely there will be difference in the exam pattern for both Ninja and digital. And one more thing which you are aware that TCS is going to hire 2020, 2021 and 2022 graduates. Okay, and this hiring is for Ninja and digital role. So what is the test pattern? So that we will see. So friends, there are two parts. So part A and part B. So sir, what is part A? So part A is foundation section. And if you want to get selected for the Ninja role, and as I mentioned, the package is 3.36 LPA, then you only have to write part A foundation section. But if you want to also apply for digital role, if you want digital role, then you have to write part A and part B both. So if you want only Ninja role, then you have to write only part A. Okay, so no need to write part 2. But part B, okay, so part B is mandatory for the digital aspirant. So if somebody wants a digital role, then he or she has to write part A and part B both. So this was a confusion for many of the students. So I hope this will be clear now. So friends, we have in foundation section, we have traits, we have numerical ability, we have verbal ability, we have reasoning ability. Numerical ability is nothing but aptitude, verbal ability is English, and reasoning ability is your reasoning. So traits, so there will be 1 minute. So they have not given the number of question. So traits means nothing but psychometric test. So we will see some of the question based on that. Okay, and then numerical ability. So you can expect around 40 to 50 questions in that time. So what will be the total time? So 76 minutes, right? So you will be having 76 minutes here. So in 76 minutes, you will have to solve around 40 to 50 questions. Though this they have not given, I am telling you from my past experience. Okay, so maybe like you will be getting around 18 to 20 questions in numerical ability. Same thing here, verbal ability, you will be again 15 to 18 question, and reasoning ability you will be having 15 to 20 question. So somewhat around 40 to 50 question in 76 minutes you will have to solve for the Ninja role, where the package will be 3.36. So if you are not good at coding, then also you will be able to get for the TCS Ninja role. Now for the advanced section, that means for the digital aspirants, so the quantitative ability will be the advanced, then reasoning ability will be also advanced, and advanced coding. That means the difficulty level of the questions will be more. Okay, and total duration for the advanced section will be given to you is 166 minutes. Okay, so I hope this will be clear. And friend, TCS ITP examination, as it is starting from the June first week, and I have come to know from one of the students that he has got the examination date on 1st of June. I'm not very sure that it is 100% correct or not. Okay, but TCS examination, the ITP exam, has to be held from the June first week. Now, so what are the important aptitude topics? So we have simplification, we have percentage. See, you must be seeing this kind of question, right? So this kind of question. So this is nothing but simplification question. Okay, then we have percentage, average, ratio, proportion, edges, profit loss, statistics, time and work, pipe systems, time, speed and distance, probability, permutation and combination, number system, SCF, LCM, SI and CI, data interpretation. There are remaining topics are also there, but these are the important aptitude topics, as I said. And then in reasoning, we have syllogism, blood relation, direction, numbers series, figure and factual analysis, decision making, alphabetical series, coding, decoding, data sufficiency, and sitting arrangement. So these are the topic which you will be finding in reasoning. Verbal ability, if we'll talk about English section, reading comprehension, sentence arrangement, error detection, sentence improvement, close test, change of voice. So these are the few important topics. Okay, now so we will be solving few of the question here. And before we start with the question, I wanted to tell you, friends, so the TCS NQT 2020 new pattern, so this is ITP best pattern that is already released. And if you're really serious about TCS examination, then this link will be given in description. You can get this course and you can start studying. Okay, fine. Now, so what is traits? So as I mentioned, so traits is nothing but your behavioral aptitude, or you can also say psychometric test. So the questions will be something like, so I'm just giving one example to you. So are you a team player? So the options will be very true to me, untrue to me, somewhat untrue to me, and very true. So this will basically tell you about your personality. So what kind of person you are. Okay. So what is your personality? Are you a team player? Can you work in team or not? Okay. Or you want to work individually? Okay. So this is, are you a team player or not? Will you be able to handle deadlines? So yes, very true, untrue to me, somewhat untrue. So it totally depends upon, see, it will reflect you and your inner personality, how good you are at organizing the things. Okay. How do you see the success of others? So all these things, definitely you will have to select the options out of this. So there will be 4 options will be there in the examination. Okay. So this kind of questions you will be getting on traits, and definitely we have many more videos on our channel which will give you idea. And also inside this courses, we have kept the psychometric test videos as well. Now, so in aptitude and reasoning, so as I mentioned, you'll have figure and factuals. So this is one question from figure and factuals, and definitely this is a question from the reasoning. So select the correct answer figure that can replace the question mark given in the question figure. Here, if you see, so many other students will be thinking that how the letters are getting shifted, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Then A is here, B is here, C is here. So many other students will start thinking like how this A, B, C, D shifting is happening, and that is where you waste your time. And this is a very simple question, but we feel it is tough in the exam because of lack of practice. So if you don't practice enough, see, many of you think that from YouTube videos we will be able to get selected. No, see, YouTube videos will be only reflecting the question, but how to think. So when a question is given to you, how to think, so that will definitely not be covered in the YouTube videos. So that will be only covered in the courses. Okay. So that courses, if you wish, if you want to get selected in TCS, then only you buy, otherwise it's of no use for you. Okay. So only serious candidate. So, and the price is also very much nominal, or 1,000 rupees. See, you spent around 4 to 5 lakhs rupees in your college or more than that, and still you did not get placed. Now, if only 1,000 rupees is giving you the placements, then obviously you should go for that, right? Okay. So after thinking all these things, we will be able to realize after seeing the options that, so every options has a different characters. So L, P, and O. But here if you'll see, so A to I, again A to I. So same letters has been in the box. A to I, same letter has been in the box. Okay. So here also the next figure which will come should have A to I. Okay. Not any other characters, not any other alphabets. So here we will be having options A. So option A will be the correct answer. Okay. So we have to, when you see a question, you also look at the options, because if you'll get stuck in finding out the rotation of the alphabets, then you won't be able to solve the question. You won't get the answer. So you have to think in both the direction. Okay. Now, question number 2. So question number 2 depends upon the practice. Okay. So this kind of questions totally depends upon the practice. Now, so if X is equals to this, then the value of 3 plus X plus 3 minus X, and the value which has been given here 1.802. So definitely this question has to be, I mean, the square root has to go off. Okay. And square root will only go off when you will square a number, right? See, if you have to remove a square root of 3, okay, so you have to remove square root, then make a square of this, friends, then it will become 3. So if you really want to remove the square root, then you need to make a square of a square on both the sides. So let us make a square on both the sides. So let us make a square on both the sides. So x square will be equal to, this will become a minus b square. So a minus b square will be a square. That means 2 plus a square root of 7 by 2 a square plus, okay, I'm sorry. So here a square plus b square 2 minus a square root of 7 by 2 and minus 2ab. So 2 into AB. So AB means put both of them under the square root because they are in the square root. So 2 plus root 7 by 2 into 2 minus root 7 by 2. Clear? Fine. Now if we'll make a square of this, it will become 2 plus a square root of 7 by 2. And again, if we'll make a square of this, then a square root will get over, right? So a square root will go off. So square root will go off, right? See, the TCS questions will be, some questions will be easy, some questions will be little tricky. So you cannot expect all the question very, very easy. But this question easily can be solved within 1 minute. Okay. Now, the square root of, fine. So here, this we will assume as A and B, A plus B, and here A minus B. So A plus B and into A minus B, what will be this, friends? So a square minus b square. Okay, so a square minus b square. So here it will become a plus b means a square. So 2a square minus a square root of 7 by 2a square. Okay, fine. So this and this cancelled, 4 minus 2 into. Now, so this will become 4 minus a square root of 7 square will be 7, 2 square will be 4. So again 4 minus 2 into, so 16 minus 7, 9 by 4. So 4 minus 2 into, so 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, 4 minus 3 will become 1. So 3 plus 1, x is 1. So 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1. So 4 by 2 will become equal to 2. So option D will become the correct answer for the given question. So friends, I have to explain here that do a square, do multiply. So somebody might be commenting that, sir, you only are taking 2 to 3 minutes, and how you are expecting us to take 1 minute in the exam? Because friends, in the exam, you do not have to explain the same thing to any of the interviewer or the candidate, right? Okay, or any of the examiner. So you have to solve by yourself. So why you will be telling that a plus b into a minus b will be this, a minus b square will be this, to you, for you to understand that the logic or how you have to proceed towards the question, I am doing this. Okay, now question number next is a question from compound interest. Okay, now, so I know most of you will be knowing the formula for compound interest. So compound interest will be equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n minus of p, where this will be nothing but a, and a stands for amount. Okay, now let us read the question and then try to solve. So if a sum invested at compound interest compounded annually amounts to rupees 54,000 in 7 years. So if you are investing some money in 7 years, it is becoming 54,000. So that means they're talking about the amount. Okay, so amount is nothing but p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Okay, now p is nothing but your principal, your investment. Okay, so friends, when you are investing some amount, it is becoming how much? So it is becoming 54,000. See, amounts to, that means amount they have given 54,000. Principal we don't know, 1 plus r also we don't know, year we know, right? So in 7 years it is becoming 54,000. This is my equation 1. Okay, now equation 2, and it is becoming 90,000 in 14 years. So again a is equals to, so 90,000 p into 1 plus r by 100. Okay, and here 14. So this is equation 2. In 14 years it is becoming, the sum invested is becoming 90,000. Now what I will do, so I will divide 2 by 1. Okay, so I will divide 2 by 1. So 90,000, okay, divided by 54,000 will be equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power 14 divided by p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power 7. If we will divide this, then 7 will divide 14 by 7 times. So p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power 7. And 3030 gone, 18 threes are 18 fives are. So 5 by 3 will be equal to, okay, so p and p will be cancelled. So this p will not be there. So it will be 1 by r by 100 to the power 7. So this was a small mistake here. Okay, now, so 5 by 3 will be equal to, now if you'll see 1 plus r by 100 to the power 7 will become equal to 54000 and then divided by p. So 5 will divide this by 5 1 ja and 5 8 ja 40 20. So principal will become 10800 into 3. That means 0038 ja 24 32,400. So 32,400 means option C will become the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, so friend, this was not a difficult question. So, and also I will tell you, so this much of steps are not required. You could have only directly solve it here itself. Okay, so when you will try to divide it, so no need of writing 2 by 1 and explaining each and everything. Trust me, because I'm explaining here, it is taking time. So question number 3 is also clear to you. Now question number 4. So question number 4, if you know number series, then this problem will become very, very simple to you. Okay, so this problem will become very, very simple to you if you know number series. So here basically what has been, so when the question is given to you, you need to analyze. So 45 into 4 will be 180. 45 into 5 will be what? So 45 into 5 will be 225. And if you subtract 2 from that, then it will become 223. Then similar 38 into 5. So 5 8 ja 40 and it will become 190. So 190 minus 2 will be 188. Similar thing 63 into 5 and minus of 2. So 5 threes are 15 and 31 minus 2. So this will become 313. So you can simply tick the answer 313. But when the question is given to you, you need to analyze that what is the multiple of this. Okay, so by thinking that in your mind, you will come to know into 4, into 5, and then you will be easily able to solve the question. Now, the next question seems to be very tough, seems to be very big, but it is a very, very simple problem. Okay, let us see. So a team of 4 with minimum 2 girls is to be formed. So minimum 2 girls is required, and girls are ABCD, and 4 boys. Okay, so EFGH. So minimum 2 girls is required. Okay, now, and boys and girls has been given. So let us see this, and then you have to find what will be the viable team. So what they're telling, F cannot go with D. So F cannot go with D. So this option is removed, right? Because here F and D are going together. So this is not a viable team for us. B and H cannot be put together. So here also B and H, and here also B and H. So B and H is going together, BH and H is going together. That means definitely your option will be option D. So friends, it totally depends how you think in the exam. Okay, how you approach towards the question. So if you want to make the question simpler, then your basic concept should be very, very clear. Okay, you should know how to attempt the question, and also in the exam, so accuracy and speed both is required. So that is the reason I'm telling you. So if you have still not decided that you have to crack TCS exam, then no problem. But if you have decided that you have to do it, then this course will only help you. And there is a 6-month validity is there. 271 video lecture itself are there. So you will be easily able to finish it off, and you will be easily able to crack the exam. So get this course, and instead of 4-5 lakhs rupees what you spent in your college, just spend 1,000 rupees and make sure that you are going to crack the examination. Thank you, and all the very, very best for your exam. So thank you once again.